this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to steal your competitors' customers on Google Ads. Now, for those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Jordan. And as you can see here in my Google Ads dashboard, we have managed over $16 million in ad spend on Google. And we've generated over 62,000 phone calls for service-based business clients. And so what that means is that we have a lot of data on what works and what doesn't, so that you can skip the learning curve and go straight into generating results for your business. And in this video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly, even if you're a small, medium-sized, service company, how to run Google Ads and steal customers from your competitors. I'm gonna show you how to do it in 2 ways, all right? So let's go ahead and jump into my test ad account here. The first way is very, very simple. You're gonna wanna go into your Google Ads account here, and then under Tools, under Shared Library here, you wanna click the drop-down menu, and then go ahead and click on Audience Manager. From here, what we wanna do is go to Custom Segments right up here, and then you're gonna wanna click on the plus sign. Go ahead and give your segment a name. We're gonna say stealing competitors' customers, okay? And that is the method. You can name it whatever you want and things like that, okay? Now, what you wanna do is go ahead and skip over this, and what I'm more interested in is we want to expand our segment by including people who browse websites similar to. Now, these are, then you're gonna wanna take your biggest competitors or the biggest companies within your niche in your area and plug in their URL here. Google is gonna scan their website, understand what type of business they are, what type of behavior is happening to get people on this, the traffic that's coming to this website. And that way you can take that traffic and put it towards your business. Now, for example here, we have a plumbing company in the area, for example, right? routermanla.com. Now, as you can see here, we get some data right up here. 51% of the people are going to be females, right? I guess it's a 51 to 49. The women are at home, men are at the work, so they call, the plumber comes and fixes the job, okay? The weekly impressions, there's a whole ton of impressions for, plumbing companies in this area, right? And then we have the age, we have the parental status, topics, they are into plumbing, home improvements, home and garden, okay? So from here, Google is going to know what type of traffic it is that you're looking for. You plug in this website, Google has an algorithm already to know what it is that you are looking to get. Now, the powerful part of stealing your competitors' customers is that you're able to now put in your ad copy and your headlines on why people should choose you over Routerman LA. Okay, now there could be multiple, you can put multiple websites in here, obviously, but in your main ad copy, when you are advertising, you could say, hey, here are the reasons why we are better than X company. Here's why you should choose us. We're better than them at this. We have better pricing, whatever it is that helps you stand out from this big player in your marketplace. And this is going to drive new customers who were initially looking for this big brand company, but now there's an alternative because you probably have a better offer. So this is a sneaky way to do it, and it is an ethical way to steal your competitors' customers. So from here, we're going to go ahead and click on save. And as you can see, it's going to go under review and have an audience segment name. So now you can literally target this audience segment in your campaign. Now, the second part, being able to steal your competitors' customers, is we want to build a branded campaign. So what we want to do is click on new campaign here. We're going to go new campaign. And we're gonna go to generate leads. We're gonna skip all this for now. If you want to look up a tutorial on how to put together a perfect Google Ads campaign for service-based businesses, then check out my video on my channel. It's a full free Google Ads course for your business on how to set it up, from trackings to all the settings, correct settings for your business, okay? So we're gonna go on continue, and the campaign type that we're gonna go with is search. And from here, like I said, we're going to skip this for now, but obviously the goal is to get phone calls, okay? That is going to be the goal. Now we're gonna hit continue. We're gonna give it a name. So we're gonna name it competitor brand names, and then we're gonna hit continue, and we're gonna start new there. And so from here, we're gonna skip all the bidding strategy. Like I said, you can kind of look into this in the Google Ads tutorial. We're gonna wanna turn off the networks here. If you have any questions on why I'm setting what essentially just watch the free Google Ads tutorial and you'll understand all this in depth, okay? So what you wanna do is just go ahead and select all the proper settings here. And I wanna get to the part where we are building the actual ad group, okay? So the ad group for this is we're going to name it competitors, competitor brand names. And we're gonna hit next, okay? From here, what we wanna do, so what you wanna do from here is you wanna actually target your competitor brand names as keywords. So for example, I might want to put in Ruderman plumbing company, okay? So now that anytime someone searches up Ruderman plumbing, your ad is going to show up. Now, you want to put in a few other, competitor brand names that are in your area specifically. And you don't want to target like the small and medium-sized plumbing business. You actually want to target keywords that have large volume. So target the keywords or the competitor brand names that actually get a lot of volume, okay? So you want to target like the biggest players in your marketplace. Don't go for the smaller company names just because you're not going to get enough traffic. So I might target Ruderman Plumbing Company. I might just put Ruderman LA and things like that. I might want to target, what's another big name out here? Fitzgerald Plumbing. Now this is just an example. Obviously you can put whatever your niche is. If you're a roofing company, an electrical company, a water restoration company, just target the biggest brand names put into there, okay? So those are the keywords that we want to target. Now from down here, here's where the secret part happens, okay? Obviously you want to put in your URL and all that good stuff. Now for the headlines, this is our opportunity to tell why their customers should work with our customers, okay? So maybe we could put something that your competitors might charge extra for, something that we might already offer, complimentary. We can say things that's more affordable than Ruderman. Things like that, okay? More affordable than Ruderman. Maybe some other bigger companies, they might not offer a specific service, right? So we might say something along the lines of free camera inspections, okay? So that's something that maybe other companies might charge for, but maybe you already offer it complimentary. Just something for you to have an incentive for reasons why their customers should work with you. And this is so powerful on generating new traffic towards your business who are, maybe you're already very competitive in your marketing efforts and now you're looking to be more aggressive by sort of steering people that are already interested in other plumbing companies to be open to the idea of your offer or the incentive that you're advertising to steer them your way. Now, this is so powerful. You're going to get new traffic for your business. Now, if you are looking for me and my team to handle all of your marketing, to help scale your business from A to Z, we've actually scaled service-based businesses all throughout the US. We have clients outside the country as well, scaled to 6- and 7-figure months. We've even scaled service-based business clients to an 8-figure company. They're in their process of franchising their business now. So if you want us to handle your marketing, then book a call with me and my team. And if we are a good fit, we would love to help you grow your company. Now, if you're looking to learn how to run Google Ads yourself and maybe train someone in-house, just bring this in-house so that you can understand what's going on inside your ads campaign and not have to rely on another marketing company or a marketing person, then check out my mentorship program where literally I will teach you how to walk you through all of this, set it all up, optimize, tweak it so that you can have your own system that generates you leads clockwise so that you can scale your business without having to rely on anyone else. Both of those links are going to be in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.